Hi friends, I am Swatantra Gagneja from BejaRef India. As you know, BejaRef is in the forefront of cutting edge technology and single window solution provider to our customers. And we will continue to excel ourselves in this direction with revived focus on digitalization, automation, and most importantly, doing business with integrity. The core values imbibed in our employees are straightforward, engaged, and committed. I have with me a few of my colleagues who will run you through the way we coped up with our business during recent pandemic times, that is COVID-19. Thank you.
COVID 19 was a difficult period and an adverse event for all of us to handle. But we managed to stay healthy and safe during this period. Our business recovery was slow initially, but it improved gradually through the resilience of our team and support of our valuable customers. This pandemic has also changed our perspective of doing business in future. It has made us use our resources more efficiently and effectively for all business related activities.
Every time when we say threat, there is an opportunity as well, and we as a BRF are very prompt in grabbing those kind of opportunity, especially in pharma, plastic and commercial refrigeration industry in 2020 and 2021. Danfoss as our strategic partners has supported us in grabbing those kind of opportunities, and because of which we as BRF grew in 2 digits in 2020-21. Thank you.
Keeping in line with the new business perspective, we were fortunate enough that we could realign ourselves with the new market situation, where there was an increase in demand from the healthcare and allied industries. And now, when in Q3, the life in general is limping back to normalcy, we can hope for demands from other industries also. So, in BejaRef, we are confident that we will close the year 2021 on high note.
We are seeing strong recovery and therefore we are investing in new infrastructures, also entering new territories very aggressively. We also plan to start an automated warehouse in our industry. Since digitalization is our focus, so we are investing heavily into that, and we plan to get around at least 10% of our sales through online channels in next 2 to 3 years. I will take you through our corporate video. Thank you.
Do we take it for granted that we can choose a certain temperature to store food, to keep cool when it's warm, and warm when it's cold? Could we live without that certain temperature? Can we live with it? Is it green enough? With roots in the north, we have learned to hush the winds and waves, and to balance and control the extremes of heat and cold. To survive, to grow, and to prosper. And for all life to happen, we need that certain temperature. For centuries, we have strived to increase the quality of life everywhere. But how could we create refrigeration and air conditioning that's energy efficient and safe for the planet? As one of the global leading providers of temperature control solutions, we challenged ourselves. Together with leading product suppliers close to our heart, we developed a new type of green technology based on eco-friendly refrigerants. By having an award-winning education academy, a smart digital infrastructure with e-commerce, and one of the world's most efficient and reliable supply chains, we spread this technology and knowledge to every corner of the world. We have the power to make a difference. So let us achieve that certain temperature in a green way. It's our future.